So sorry guys for that one. So I'm going to tell you in this one game we're going to make our now that thing which is known as Mastercraft. So this one game, so you could also download it. And one more game that is Minecraft. In Minecraft also we will make this videos, so do not miss this both, and make sure to like, subscribe. This is my first time. I'm going to tell you in which games we will start. So if I start doing new games, I will inform you like this. Let's finish this video. And in that I was showing the story. Sorry for that. I will sorry, I was just checking the what was error. So no problem guys, please guys, sorry. I did not want sorry guys, bye. Bye bye guys. Hello, wait